affinity, reality, communication, and understanding. Complementary postulates enhance affinity. Conflicting postulates lessen affinity. Thus, affinity is the willingness to create complementary postulates. Love is the expression of affinity. Reality is the degree to which complementary postulates are created. Thus, as games become progressively more compulsive, things become progressively less real to the being. Things are only as real as one is creating complementary postulates regarding them. Communication is the action of creating complementary postulates. When two or more beings adopt complementary postulates regarding a creation, they share that creation, which is now a co-creation. They are said to be in agreement regarding that creation. Thus, agreement is a shared creation. Beings, by means of their willingness to create complementary postulates, affinity, and by actually creating complementary postulates, communication, achieve co-creation, reality. Thus, understanding is achieved between beings. Games, because they contain conflicting postulates, lessen understanding between beings.